This video I introduce pixel recurrent neural network for image generation. Pixel recurrent neural network is a generative model that is used to sequentially predict the pixels in an image along the two spatial dimensions, X and Y. The goal is to compute a joint probability Px over the pixels, where P is a conditional probability. Row LSTM and diagonal bidirectional LSTM are used to predict the conditional probabilities here. Row LSTM processes the image row by row from top to bottom, computing features for a whole row at a time using a one-dimensional convolution kernel key by one. Here, key is 3. A pixel xi has a triangular receptive field. LSTM uses this as an input and the pixels in the triangular receptive field to predict the conditional probability of xi. The current hidden state hi and cell state ci are updated by using the previous hidden state hi-1 and the cell state ci-1 through these equations. Where xi is the row of the input map, this convolution operator and this element multiplication. The weights KIS and KSS are input to state and state to state components respectively. Diagonal bidirectional LSTM is designed to capture the entire available pixels. We use LSTM along this diagonal direction and this diagonal direction to predict the conditional probability at each cell in this feature map. For example, the pixel xi depends on this row and this pixel. So we use left scan along this diagonal to calculate the contribution from these 3 pixels. And we use right scan to calculate the contribution from these 2 pixels. However, the right scan includes 2 future pixels. To remove the contribution from these 2 future pixels, we move the receptive field 1 cell down. So we remove the contribution from these 2 pixels. To easily to calculate the contribution from these 2 pixels to calculate the probability of this xi, we shift this row 1 cell in the right direction. So we can use the kernel 2 by 1 to update the probability of xi here. And then from the left scan, the right scan, we get 2 values. Then now we calculate the probability of xi by using the sum of left and right values. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.